iPhone lagging after iOS 17. How to fix iPhone lag after update. iPhone lag problem iOS 17. So if you're actually having the lag issue on your iOS 17, it's actually quite normal, because normally when you update your device, it will actually go ahead and then update to the latest version, which will cause heating, and as a result it might also cause some of the minor lags. Now the thing that you want to do here is to simply try to let the phone settle for at least 24 hours, or give it like a day or two for everything to be smooth over again, because sometimes that could be the main reason. The second thing you can try to do is you can simply open up settings here. Then you can simply try to reset your device by going to general. Then from general you can go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to erase all content and settings, and you can try to reset it and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.